Hello, Jim Tech Buzz, new product in from TOZO, and it's their new Openbuds, and they've got TOZO Openbuds acoustic technology, and this is just a box here. We'll go through everything else when we take them out and review them. But of course, we've got a TOZO app and all that kind of stuff. So if you've seen that barcode, you're more than welcome to have it. So these look kind of small, and you open them up like so, and that's it there. You are presented with this pack here, which will give you your user guide, quick guide. That's pretty much it inside. So it's the case here, and in here we have got, let's have a look, USB cable. Doesn't matter come out, folks. Maybe this end. So that's it there. Nice short cable, USB-A, USB-C. Nothing else in the box. And let's just pop this away because we have enough cables lying around the house as is. So just pop that back in there for now. Right. Let's have a look. So here we go. Here's the case here, charging case, and we have got 650 milliamp hour battery and 70 on the earbuds by the looks of it there. USB-C port on the back, lights on the front there, and of course TOZO branding embedded into the lid. And let's have a look, see what these magnets are like as well. And we'll just pull off these. Very well secured on. Yeah. So that's one off. So give you an idea what that looks like there. L for left, 2 magnetic points there, and we'll take off this one. Hopefully it'll be a bit easier. And it's a nice outer look on the case in there. And that one will have, right, and there's still a tiny bit left on that there. Okay. So that's what they look like there. Really nice looking on the outside, nice and simple with the product name, and these will just simply rest around your ears. And as you can see, this turns here, and you can see our mics, and that's pretty much it. Nice soft hooks for the ears. And this is their take on these new open ear earbuds, which are popular. Done many before, but most of them have been a lot bigger than this. So this is kind of the smallest pair we've tried out. And you've got a little reset button there and pair your Bluetooth. And we should see an LED light pop on if there's any juice inside. There we go. You can see the lights there. And the magnets aren't that strong, but they're in a nice case regardless. So we'll just pop them back in, and that's what they look like there. Anyway, nice and clean looking, and you've got left and right marked in this too, and you've a nice snap shut lid there as well. So that's pretty much what we're going to get for now. So what we're going to do is, anyway, we'll take them off for a test, and we'll come back with a review and go through all the specs and all that kind of stuff. This just to get us going. So stay tuned after the break with the magic of YouTube. You'll get the rest of this video. Hello, Sim, and we're back with the TOZO Openbuds. Now don't get that name confused with Open Real. So these are coming next after them, and if you look at the colour and all that kind of stuff there, you can see there's a similar design here going on, which is good. It's keeping them cohesive and consistent. and in line with our product portfolio. So these are the kind of popular earbuds now, and this type here, and we've done plenty of both. We've done the biggest range you can find in Ireland, and from many brands, and pretty good. Now, not often do I say these things early in review, but these are the best open buds or open earbuds I've tried to date for the price, and that's a good start. And that's not being biased or anything like that. Like I said, I've tested many pairs. I know what's out there, what's good and what's not. Check the site for more, but this brand is a brand to keep an eye on. It really, really is. And that's just in comparison to these two here, as they're kind of a similar take on what's going on. So let's have a chat about this first. So you've got dual connection, so you connect the two devices. You've no autoplay or pause with these, which is the only kind of thing, which doesn't really bother me. Your controls are here. Now they can be a bit sensitive, and if you're going to take them out of your ears until you get your muscle memory right and put them back in, you will tend to tap off the logo and do a command. It's mostly pause or play, and that's from my testing over the last while anyway. But apart from that, there's nothing really bad I can say about them. Now they do have this design here. See this? I haven't seen that before in a pair of open ears. So it gives you control with a dual axis, and they fit really well. And what's good about these, see, unlike these are going to be fixed. You can actually move these to sit wherever you want on your ears, more or less, or you can actually move this ear hook if you wish. But this just makes it even better because you can move this here. The ability to do that is quite good, and you can just see the mechanism there. Really, really cool idea, and it's not fixed per se like these would be or similar. And that's a really neat idea to have there, and it works really well. So hats off for that new kind of feature there, and pretty cool. So you've got decent battery life as well, and you can use these individually. So one can be in the box charging either side, and again, like I mentioned, you've got dual connection, which works well. So for me, that's kind of always important as I'm swapping between my laptop and my phone. That's because I'm always on them all day long with work and so on, and that's basically how it goes. So you've got the you can hear what's going on around you too, but they also they're quite loud, and people always ask about leakage with the likes of this, and you can hear there's not much leakage on them compared to say this or others, and that's kind of cool. Because these kind of earbuds or headphones, would I say, do tend to have a lot of leakage, but these don't. Again, the best I've tested with the less leakage for this category, which is really good. And they've got the TOZO Openbuds app, sounds, should I say, and you've got different EQs in the app, which we're going to have a look at now in a second. So overall, how would I rate these? They're pretty damn good, really good bass as well. You've got an app, like I mentioned, we're going to check out now. No lag latency, no distortion on sound either when it's maxed out. Highs, lows, mids are all fine, really nice bass. And again, you can control the sounds with the app, which we're going to have a look at next. So we'll have the headphones up here. Here's the app, or here's our player. So here's the app here, not connected. Just going to reconnect there, and we're back in, and it's fast connection there, as you can see as well. So you've got your options in here, 5 and -5. You got your bass, your vocal, your standard, classical and treble. Now again, with the likes of these earbuds or headphones, as I say, the difference between the profiles here are notable, unlike others which I've tested before. And you know, this typically you'd find this on earbuds, like proper plug-in earbuds or ones with stems, whatever the case is. And coming on to this kind of style now, which is getting popular, I've tested a few, and there's arguably not much difference in the sound between the different profiles, but there is a notable difference with these, which is really good. So again, you've got your presets there, and you can pick them up, and once you do that, it'll just change over in a matter of seconds, and that's pretty much it in there. So in here then you've got your settings. So you got your touch control, your update, up to the latest update, you can add another device if you have one, And in here is where your controls are, which you can change. So that's it there. And I've kept it pretty simple. So you got both left and right. And hang on. Am I on the right one? Yeah, it's on this different colour. So you got your play and pause next, activate Siri, volume up and down, skip, all that kind of stuff, skip and reverse tracks. And you've got your call control down here, which is kind of fixed, so it's easy to do and calls come out well too. So that's pretty much what the app is going to look like there. It's really simple to use. And we'll just take a demonstration now of one. And what we'll do is we'll go on here. So that's play and pause. I'll just try and bring this in a little bit more. So you've got play and pause, like that. And triple tap is for your voice assistant, which you've seen there. We get rid of that. You can skip and reverse tracks. And to change the volume, you'll tap and hold. So you can just see there from this quick test here, it works well. So we're going to do the same on the opposite side. Right? So you can see the tracks going back. Triple tap for Siri. Just move that out of the way. I'm sorry, I'm hitting the wrong, just over a bit too much there. So your Siri works there. And we get rid of that. Play, pause, double tap, and then you've got hold for your volume down. So your volume down and volume up. So that's basically how they're going to work. Really simple to use. And again, just because the way these are designed, you'll find when you're putting them on, you might rub off the thing here. And in most cases for me, it was just play and pause on either side, depending on what I was doing. And it'll just activate that. Just need to be kind of careful to kind of grab it like this. But like I said, this, just imagine this sitting in your ear. This can move, which I think is really cool and looks well. They fit well too. They're not going to fall off. Good battery life as well, and nice looking product. Like, they are looking on a bit on the big side, but I'm going to zoom back out there. They are a bit on the big side, but that's what these kind of headphones are like. Anyway, they do tend to be a bit chunky, but they're not too obtrusive, but they fit well and look well as well. I like the two-tone colour here and the design of them. So that's really about it for the TOZO Openbuds. If it's something you look at, we'll leave a link below where you can pick them up, and do check out the Open Reel, which are kind of cheaper. But out of the two, these are the best in this kind of format here, and these are the best open ears I've tried to date for your money. So check them out on site. We'll leave a link below to where you pick them up. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. And thanks again to TOZO for letting us test them out. And we'll talk to you soon.